In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to update your third brake light bulbs to LEDs. So on my third brake light bulb, you can see the right-hand side here is dead. So what we're going to do is update those two bulbs on the left and the right to LED bulbs. So the bulb size for the third brake light is going to be a 921. Updating these bulbs is really easy. All you're going to need to do is remove the two screws on the left and the right here. It's a Phillips or a star screwdriver. So let's jump in and do this. So we're going to start by removing the screw on the right hand side here. We're going to also remove the left. Now that we've got both screws removed, we're going to remove the housing. When it comes to removing the housing, you're going to need to use a little bit of force. So I start from the bottom, and I'll pop out, and I'll pop out the other side. And we're now ready to remove the bulbs. When it comes to removing the bulbs, I do one at a time. So this one here is the one that's burnt out. It is broken. So I'm going to be gentle. We'll go back and forth so I don't cut myself. I'm going to place in the new LED. And what I'm going to do is test the bulb first. So this one works. We'll replace it back in the housing and we'll move on to the next one. So same thing. We're going to be gentle. Lightly pull that out. And we'll place in the new bulb. So now that we're ready to replace the actual cover, you'll see you have a tab on each side here that clips in underneath of the screw holes here. So when they're lined up, they'll push back into place like that. So we're now ready to replace both screws. I'm just going to thread both of them in by hand and then tighten them back down. And now when we open up our vehicle, we've got two LEDs as our marker lights on the third brake light here. This has been a quick tutorial on how to easily replace the bulbs on your third brake light with LEDs. If you found this video useful or enjoyed this content, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.